Hi everybody. So I would like to give you a quick crash course on how to use this social media manager planner to customize it to yours. So this is what the dashboard looks like. Here you put in your name, whatever your name is. And so when you click, once it's January 2026, you click this place. You make this page big. Then you can see your calendar, your database for all your tasks. Here you will see all the tasks you're supposed to do. Then if you click this place, daily tasks, you see your daily tasks. This is a table view of all your tasks. And there's also the weekly tasks and monthly tasks. So in case you are not okay with the tasks here, you can easily change them by coming to this place. You click open and then you make whatever changes you want to make. You can do whatever changes you want to make. That's easy for that. Next, we go to the daily database. Since it's going to start on 1st of January 1, this is what it's supposed to be like. So 1st of January, it is going to automate itself like this, and then when you're done with your tags, you click. Then to edit the tags, what you need to do is come over to this new button, click this three button, edit, come over here, rename whatever goal you want, or whatever goal or tags you want it to be, and then you press enter. That's all. Same goes for the weekly tags. You do the same thing. You come to the new button, you edit, you click the three button beside Monday tags, you click edit, and then you do the same. You rename it to whatever goal or tags you want it to suit yourself. So every week new tags will come up. Once it's next Monday after the first Monday in January, it's going to pop up, and so all you need to do is to mark it. So that will be all.